Hello. Welcome, welcome. Let's start the show again. Kirk, what up? Sir Berson, what's going on? What is going on? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? No. So I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. I was just measuring some distance here. I can see this. I can imagine this one going lower, by the way, but it's not a trade. It's not a trade. What's going on, Kirktown? So, Kirk and Kirktown, are you guys the same person? I always ask that. I keep forgetting. All right, Alex, how you doing? What's going on, Alex? It seems to be a good short opportunity to continue lower. And there's actually a 5-minute bullish order block ready to be taken out. So, you know, why not? Why not? I think it's gonna go lower, but I would be scared to jump into a long position right now. Although there's a nice flat candle at 98.75. Yeah, I'm gonna mark that up there. 98.75. Let's get these off. Tim. Yeah, it was a very nice drop. The week is so far okay. So far okay-ish. So nothing special. Absolutely awesome. And yeah, so far profit wise, I requested payout from Bulenox and Apex, and that is all. That is all. That is all. Small profits here and there. The London session was 1 loss, 1 win. One loss, 1 win. Hey, Natasha. How's it going? Good to see you. The best. The smartest. How you doing? All right. Let's look at the 1 hour. What kind of levels do we have? We have the new week opening gap still up there. It's a little bit far now. Not too much, but it's like 350 points. It can go up there. It can still go. So, I guess we have to see. Actually, if it makes the displacement higher, we can actually try to go along and target that area up there. $7K a day challenge. Well, I mean, why not? I mean, you did that before, right? 7K a day challenge. Oh my god. I mean that is like, wow. That is awesome. Natasha, you have to teach me. I mean, I of course, why not? I mean, don't care about what anybody says or acts around. Don't even care about me or anyone. As long as you see it and believe it, then you're gonna be able to do it. Hello, hello, Naomi. What's up? Oh yeah, Trading Star. She's a badass. She is. Oh, that would be great. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. You really need to use that word? All right. All is forgiven. I would like this one to go lower. Take out that 734, by the way. And we have this 5-minute bullish order block here, or demand zone. Up. Bit of a bad. That's too tight. So that right there. To the left. Ready to be broken. What's the target? What's the target, Natasha? Let me know. Please. I wanna do some big trades as well. Hey Zoltan. What? Keep writing them through chat of their contact form. Are you using their chat? I'm guessing you're using their chat window, right? I'm gonna speak a bit Hungarian here. Szóval megnyitod a chat ablakot, rámégy arra, hogy egy emberi asszisztenssel szeretnél beszélni, nem pedig a robottal, leírod a dolgokat, és elvileg vissza kéne, hogy én mindig beszélek velük, nem értem, hogy mi történik. Ezt tényleg nem értem. Senki. Ha. Ezt nem értem. Próbáld meg egy másik, tudom, hogy hülyén hangzik, de próbáld meg egy másik böngészőből, vagy egy inkognitó ablakból megnyitni. Elképzelhető, mert nagyon sok sütit meg ilyesmit használ a weboldaluk, és van, amikor nekem se frissítette a chatet például. hanem már úgy írtam rájuk többször, és akkor a mobilomon írtam rájuk, hogy akkor nagy nehezen beírtak, hogy frissítsem a sütiket, vagy töröljem ki, és próbáljam meg újra. Nem tudom, hogy ez számít-e, de a weboldaluk így működik. Azt mondták, próbáld meg. Nem tudom, mi lehet, hallod. Megpróbálok egy e-mail címet keresni valahol. Hát rájuk lehet írni, nem tudom. Sosem fordult ilyen elő. Forgiveness is the greatest power I have. Thank you, Trading Star. Uh-huh. 740. Yeah, I think that level could be valid. What's up, Greg? Large RTH gap. Could be. Berenson, I almost understood. Nem tudom, hallod. Ez ilyen még nem tapasztaltam. Megpróbálok én rájuk írni. Megpróbálom. Zoltan is having an issue with Take Profit Trader chat. They're not answering. Okay. Talk to human. Okay, so here you go. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I guess you can't. Here's their chat. So I gave them the name and the email. You had to click on talk to human, and there should be someone answering this real soon. All right. So I just wrote them. Hopefully, we will get an answer live on stream here. Yeah, sometimes I do speak Hungarian. No problem. So I just sent a message to them. Hopefully, they will give us an email, or maybe they will ask for your email or account number, whatever. I don't know. We'll see if we're gonna respond here or not. Okay. All right, going lower. It seems like the open is here. Back to work. Yeah, 5 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, seems like it wants to go. Maybe not. Is this gonna go lower? Oh, it seems like it does. I think Natasha is gonna be right on this. Look at that. Is this gonna break that 36? It might be. Let's see. So far we're hovering here. I don't know if it will take the low or not. Gotta be careful. A little bit edging higher here. Okay, back up there. Repricing this area. Still didn't go low, but I think it's just repricing. Maybe wants to break that 813. Gotta watch out for those highs around 862, I think. No answer yet. Whoa, what a spike here. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I might take a long on this, but not sure. The problem is it went up a lot, like really a lot. So and I like the idea to go back to the new day opening gap. All right, we have to wait for this current candle as well. 860. Yeah. Okay, so we just took out this swing high. Now it comes, okay. It's getting to be a little bit difficult here because we have a bearish order block starting around 912. And I see no stopping at this. Okay, so this would be the first fair value gap here. The problem is, even if I would take this, all right, it could be just keep going higher. if I take this as a breakaway gap, then the next candle, if this is gonna leave a fair value gap, I'm gonna put maybe I'm not sure. Should I put a buy order here? Oh, I mean limit. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. $760. Oh, we got the 760. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That was, yeah, actually that was a nice drop there. So nobody's answering still. Yeah, it can reverse, so be careful, everybody. Just be careful. No problem. I mean, Trader Zoltan here in the chat, he's having an issue. He doesn't have an answer from the chat. They're pretty much behind, so I just sent them a support ticket. If maybe they can give an email to connect or something. So Zoltan bought a, 2 accounts with them, but he hasn't received the accounts. So yeah, and they're not answering the chat. So I just tried to contact them on live chat. Oh yeah, we have 10 a.m. news, right? Bank of England. Nothing special. Yeah, existing home sales. Okay, so that's what we're having. Okay, I'm not gonna enter long. Still just waiting. I feel like that the downside is still very much possible. So still no answer. Going higher. There's a flat candle up there at 98. I mean, I don't know. Can it go there? Gotta be careful here. It could be still pushing. up to, I don't know, maybe to the 90s. Who knows? Maybe a bit of a push there. There you go. And we have the 98. We have it. Nice. Flat candle. Never fails. $98.75 to the tick. Where's my calculator? Okay, so what now? What's it gonna be now? To 900. Did it go to 900? Maybe on the mini? What was the high on the mini? Oh, 900 on the mini. The micro wasn't there. 99 on the micro. Wow. That was crazy. That was a crazy move there. Maybe it wants to get above that 900. Who knows? Anyway, better be careful here at these levels. You never know. Maybe it wants to go. Maybe it wants to make a test above the 900. Oh, we're just in the CE of the 1 hour. Or 900 is there, right? Oh, yeah. Seems like it wants to make a break for it. Maybe because of the micro. There you go. There you go. Okay, I got the email from Take Profit Trader from Zendesk, but this is just an automated email. So no answer yet. I just got the automatic Zendesk email. Yeah. Yeah, I got the email. So no response as of yet. on the chat. Not much to do here. There's also a flat candle at 9:17 on the 1 minute. I think it might want to go there, maybe before the news. I think it should be there in a second. Yeah, there it is. Keeps pushing it higher and higher. I think it wants to break that 22 now. Almost did it. I think it did, right? What's the high of this one? It's 22.25. I don't know, man. Is it gonna go for it or not? Let's wait and see. Oh, it's very close. Does this count as high impact news? I guess it does, right? No, it's medium impact news, actually. All right, we got that. Yeah, the whole situation looks ugly. So far, nothing is happening here. Oh, TCG. Sorry, didn't say hello. So far on the let me go back to the micro. So far, we're just repricing all these fair value gaps. We broke into this one to the left on the 5 minute. Nothing special. I would really love to see a possible short opportunity, but nothing so far. No answer. Ten more minutes. 75%. Okay, then I think it'd be interesting to see what happens now. Let's see. I'm not in a position. Still waiting. Still just waiting. There's one more level to the left here. Maybe it wants to go for that 940. I'm not sure. Anyway, we are in the macro. 15-minute is also looking a little bit ugly here, to be honest. And you know, there was a possible long opportunity. No, actually, that would have been a stop loss. Never mind. Or maybe not. Down here. No, not that one. Anyway. Have no idea where could be the drawn liquidity right now. Just keeps on going higher, and I'm telling you that 39 is very close. If I just look at the bodies of the 1-minute candle here, which is taking liquidity, that should be at 39 on the micro. I think it could be grinding up there. Look at that. I think it wants to go for it, maybe before news. Not moving. No idea. No idea. I have to look at the 5-minute for some possible levels. We have this gap here as well. The daily candle looks like it wants to push it back to midnight area. The hourly also looks a little bit ugly. So who knows? Four minutes until news. What if this one wants to go lower? I really can't figure out a direction from this. We went down all the way. This one can still keep dropping on the big picture. Excuse me. Sir Benson, what's going on? One minute and 31 seconds until news. And then finally after that we can maybe get back to trading. No answer from Take Profit Trader still. Yes, also creeping higher. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, it does. It does. What a move. You know, as long as it wants to get to 57.30, I have a feeling that NQ also wants to continue higher on the hourly. This would be like a real crazy move there. Anyway, I think it's going to take the 39. Or at least it should. Almost there. I think it did go for it. Here comes the news. Yeah, it did go. Okay, so far nothing special here. Feels like wants to go to the 60s. I'm not sure. Here comes the 60s. There you go. Okay. Family issues, don't worry about it. Don't worry, Natasha. Nothing special so far. It's just keeps going higher. We have those highs. Actually, one more high here at 92.75. We'll see if it wants to go there or not. $92.50 on the micro. Gotta be careful. Did it go there? I think it did. Beautiful. Okay, back to 20K. FOMO. Oh yeah. I completely understand. Yeah, very very much weird. Very much weird. I did a few scalps in hindsight as we were going up there, but otherwise no proper entry. So there is no entry setup that I would officially take. So and just look at that. It wants to go back to the midnight level. Yeah, those were 3 micro and was not loving it. Yeah, it's gambling. It's I know. It's gambling. To be honest. It is. It is a level of gambling. especially in these market conditions. So almost retraced the 1 hour downside. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, look at that. The 1 hour chart actually looks, I don't even know what to put at this. I mean, this is just, I don't know, man. The whole chart just looks ugly. I don't know. It looks bullish. It might want to go back up there. We have a bullish pin bar as the daily forms. You were sitting in the garden? Come on, Natasha. You were sitting in the garden. I know it's not funny, but it actually is funny. Okay, we might want to go back to the London highs here. Man. This is just unbelievable. Oh, I got an answer. It seems that there is a delay in account resets and new account creations. Please wait about 1 hour and your new account will be populated on your dashboard with instead of that. This is just a copy paste answer. When did you buy the account? Mikor vetted? 2 napja, okay. The account for 2 days. Oh, okay. So this guy already closed down the conversation. Okay. Standard message, yeah. This was just a standard message. Friend of mine. Okay. Sorry, I can't type. Okay, so this is just a standard message. Damn. I don't know, Zoltán. Just a second. Én a helyetbe írnék nekik még párszor így chaten. Azt is leírnám, hogy többször ugyanúgy, biztos te is, hogy 2 napja vársz. És igen, tehát kicsit agresszívebb, hogy elnézést, de már 2 napja várok. És ha nem válaszolnak, akkor annyiszor újra küldöd az üzenetet egy ilyen bottal. Wow! Akut Srinivas. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. Thank you for joining the stream. It's kind of sad that they put in these copy-paste messages. 39% better to trade with until anyone comes home again. That's plenty. Hát igazán nem sokat segítettem, Zoltán, de remélem, én a helyedben folyamatosan írnék rájuk, ha kell, ilyen 1-2 óránként. Most nyitva vannak Amerikában, most nyitva tartási időben írnék folyamatosan ilyen 1-2 órán. Egyébként egy tapasztalat, hogy általában hamarabb válaszolnak, amikor már délutáni session van, vagy amikor már bezár a piac. Én ezt csinálnám, és akkor így ismételten elküldeném az üzenetet, mikor lezárja az Zendesk, és küld újra. Biztos, hogy valaki válaszol, de szerintem, mert mondta az igazgatójuk is, hogy tele vannak most tiketekkel, tehát alig bírják. Mondta is a YouTube-on, hogy fognak felvenni embereket. Alright, sorry. Just a quick help here to my Hungarian trader fellow friend here. I was just saying to Zoltan that he should be sending messages throughout the day in business hours, maybe in about 1 or 2 hours. They should be answering. Do you have? Yes, I mean account, no. Discount code, yes. I do have a Funded Futures Network discount code, but I haven't bought an account with them yet. I am going to, by the way, just saying. I just haven't had the time yet to set it up. So, but anyway, I know that this is the new hype. Funded Futures Network is the new hype. I've already, of course, registered with them as an affiliate. So, if you guys would like to support the stream, you can use the same code TomSabo with Funded Futures Network for the actual discount. It should be working. Yeah. So I registered with them. Yeah, but I haven't. I will buy accounts with them. I definitely will, but I haven't been there yet. I just bought new MyFundedFutures account and the new DayTraders account, but they are not really new. I don't know much about them. Obviously, I jumped on the bandwagon as an affiliate, so without knowing too much about them, but I have to do my research. But I jumped on the affiliate code bandwagon as well. But yeah. Let me close this here because it's not gonna take us anywhere, this chat. Okay. They're not really new. Okay. Let me Funded Futures Network. By the way, how does this work? Because how do I purchase the account? I go to get started. Where do I apply the coupon code? So for example, get your account. It doesn't say because there was a buy one get one for free promo, right? That's the promo. Where's the coupon code? It takes me to oh, there's the coupon code. Okay. Okay, on the Stripe website. Okay, it's on the Stripe website. All right, okay. Okay, on the Stripe website, on the checkout page, there's the coupon. Okay, I'm buying one now. I'm going to buy one now. Joma, I saw that you guys were calling me. It was actually about 8 p.m. in my time, and Discord, I bought a new phone. As you can see, I have 2 phones now. So I bought a new phone, and the new phone doesn't have the Discord app on it yet, so it doesn't have it. My old phone had it, but anyway, I was out from my computer. I was watching actually television, not television, but Sky Showtime on the couch with my girlfriend. Yes, anyway. And so I stuck on the couch. And when I got back, I saw that you guys were calling me. Ah, here it is, motherfucker. What's up? Three phases. I was trying to read their FAQ. It definitely threw me off. What? 3-phase evals? All the evals are 3-phase? Oh no, motherfucker, what happened? Oh, by the way, as I was Today I was scalping this this new account from Take Profit Trader, and guess what? Anyway, look at the balance there. I'm at payout level already. Actually, I still have to make a little bit more to have 250. Today I managed to make $3,400 because I was crazy. So they definitely push you to live, which okay, but do you know if we get paid? Oh, that's the big question. Yes, is there some kind of a payout at the second phase before going to live? So that's the real question. No. Well, it was scalping with 2 and 3 and 4 minis, 2, 3, 4 minis, and looking for 10 points, 8 points here and there. But and I was also doing it before the stream, so I was also scalping before in between London and New York. But at least I got to the payout level. Yeah, I saw that. I saw when I got back. It was late night. I was just coming back to the computer, turn it down, and I saw the notification on Discord. I was like, "What?" Affiliate. You have to register on plane.com. Plane. Then you have to contact Plane or something. You have to do the verification at plane.com, and that's how they pay you. Sure. That's basically what you have to do. And once you're registered, I did my registration. It was like in 2023, so it was before last year. But I remember that you have to go to plane.com and do the KYC there and add your bank account and stuff. And that's it. And once you're done, I think that's it. You might have to send an email to support, or I think they're being notified at Apex. That's the thing I don't know, but you gotta check the website as well. I mean I wish I would remember, but I'm not so sure. There's something like that. But keep pushing higher here. So by the way, here's the next honest question. What would you do? You know which question comes now. Yeah, I know, John. I mean, I guess it does, but there is a payout method somewhere. Let me go to Apex Trader affiliate info. I go to affiliate info and you click on payout method, and I think it's gonna take you to the help center. First name. Okay. So when you go to your affiliate page, you have to click on change payout method. It's gonna take you, you click on change payout method. Okay. I'm gonna click on it off the screen. I don't want to share my personal info. Okay, so when you click on it, it's gonna take you to a bank account page. I'm blurring out some of my personal details here, but this is the page where you're gonna get to. There's my address up there, and you can add your bank account and deposit account if international bank, or I don't know, stuff like that. That's what you can do. I'm not gonna save it, but something like that. Done that. It's fully filled out. Then they should be contacting you, I guess. But yeah, I think you did the right. You should. You don't get that. Okay. Well, I would be asking support. You know, that's what I would be doing. It should be right. It should be okay. But I would be asking support. You know, because so far that's all I know. As I said, I did mine like in 23, and I don't even know how I got there. Still keep on pushing. We still keep on pushing. Yeah, Joe, I know. Hey, no problem, no problem, Joe. I'm sorry if I cannot help more because I really don't know. But so far, support has been responsive about these issues, so I hope they will help you out soon. They've been okay nowadays. I mean, at least in answering the questions. I just can't jump into a long here, but maybe I should have. Maybe I take a long on an Apex account. All right, we'll see. Took a small long position up to 89. Only on an Apex Trader account. Very bad risk to reward ratio. So for the stream, basically. Here. I might add to it if it comes down to this 10 area. I might gonna try to add to it. Is this gonna try to take the 70? Seems like it does. And it did. Alright, scalped a little bit more on my Take Profit Trader account. And now the balance is at $4,804, which means I am $304 above the safety net. right? So times 80%, I can get $243 from this account as a payout tomorrow. What do you guys think? 243 bucks. Should I get it? And by the way, also, the question is, no, I'm sure I'm long. I'm long. Oh yeah, absolutely. It always happens. It's a funded account, Zoltan. It's there's no consistency rule on the funded account. It's a funded. This is a funded account. This is the pro account. Oh, come on. What did I do here? So this is a funded pro account. All right. So I'm just wondering. Also, the question I wanted to ask you guys: what would you do? What should I do? Should I close the complete account? I mean, I'm definitely gonna take out that profit, but should I close the account? What do you guys think? Statistically speaking, there is a very low chance that this account is going to survive more than 1 or 2 months. I know. That's how I trade. Statistically speaking, there's a low chance that this account is going to make it for like 2 months or whatever. So what I can do is I can trade for $200 or $300 for 20 trading days, which brings me to, if I'm lucky, I can get away with between $2,000 to $3,000 in a single month. Or I can close the complete account and walk away with 50% of the safety net plus this $242, which means about $2,500. I can walk away from this account with $2,500. No. Nah? Okay. So I'm gonna keep the account. Should I close it and walk away? No, actually the goal would be to trade it, right? The goal would be to trade the account. Keep the account and grow it. Okay, so one more thing. When this account is going to reach, I think, I don't know what is the level when they're gonna put me into a Pro Plus account. 10K, 20K in payouts, or 10K in profits. I don't know. That's the question. I can repeat it again. Okay, hopefully. Hopefully. A++, withdraw daily. Okay, Kirk. So withdraw daily, take A++ setups. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Actually, that would be the ultimate goal, to treat this as a real account and just grow the account day by day, right? That would be the ultimate goal. And you know what? I'm going to do that. So I could walk away with $2,500 from this one, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep the account. Okay. What would I do? Trust me, there's some stuff I could do with that money. I mean, thank God I'm. It's not for bread, but that's house money. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I would help my family, and I want to save money to pay off my debt. I told you guys I have a big loan that I try to pay down, and it's partially motivating me to push these accounts. Obviously, paying down 2,500 from that loan would put me into a little bit of a better position. But if I close the account, I would destroy the vehicle that makes me able to pull out daily payouts. So that's a huge question. So obviously, that's a big question. Yeah, daily payout with Take Profit Trader. It's daily payout. Yes. Yeah, the loan which I'm still trying to get rid of. I can tell you guys. Actually, I was thinking to tell you or not, but why not? I'm trying to get rid of about, well, in US dollars, the loan that I try to pay down is nearly 60,000 US dollars. 60,000 US dollars that I'm carrying on my back and doing payments, installments every month. And obviously it was more, by the way. It was more. And so I'm getting lower on my debt. And it's because of some things that happened a few years ago when I was broke. And that's why I'm trying to do that. Yeah, let's keep building it together. That's what we're here to do. I wanted to go short, by the way, but I just can't right now. I mean, do we have 978? 978. Yeah, we could. We could. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the bot. Okay. Just the bot just answered with the standard answer. Okay. Yeah. And by the way, look at that. This is Asia high up there at 93. Oh, by the way, my my apex position is still there. Where is it? Almost reached the take profit. I totally forgot about this trade. That this is still here. This position is still... I totally forgot that we have an apex position. Okay. Okay, now it's gonna go for it. I mean, it's pretty much looks like it wants to go for it. What a push here. What a push. Let's wait for it. I think it wants to go higher, doesn't it? Should be busting through that 86 now. And take out that 89. Well, anyway. Able to speak. Oh, really? They will investigate and thoroughly investigate. Oh. Oh, nice. Natasha, that's actually good news. That's good news. That is actually wow. Trump speaks at 10:40. Uh-oh. No nerves. Less than okay, that's not good if Trump is speaking this. Natasha, that is actually hopefully it will be okay. That's very good. Yeah. Keep us updated, you know, because I think everybody has the same interest to see what's happening with Apex, how lenient are they to solve the issue or not, you know. That's actually good information. Whatever, I hopefully it will be good. I mean, the outcome, but you know, for the community to know. Yeah, yeah. That's thank you for updating. Yeah. Oh yeah, he can do anything he wants. Trump has the skill to completely put the market upside down. So we're just gonna have to wait. Or by the way, Trump usually goes late a little bit. When there's an announcement, he usually is late about 30 minutes. So, okay, look at that. Is it trying to push it now? I think it wants to. I think it wants to go. Look at that. Be careful though. Let's see if that 89 get hit. Would be great to have some profit on Apex finally. I'm still under review, by the way, on the payout, so. But I did everything accordingly to the risk management rules. Everything. There she goes. If there were a reason to quit trading, it would be a third term. For Trump, yeah. Hey, no problem. No language issue there, Stop Loss Hunter. I didn't even see your comment. I don't know what language you're saying there. Can we trade during... of course, yes, we can. We can. I still had no trades here. Okay. Previous day high approaching. The daily candle looks like a gigantic pin bar. And we have the new week opening gap up there. It might want to go there. But I guess we have to wait to see what Trump says. Hey, Jay Smith. TP smashed. Congratulations. You're shadow banned? No, no, you're not. You're not. Sit up. All right, sorry. I'm sitting. Sorry. Is it good, right? Is it good? Okay, Kirk. Hungary official language English after they become yes. Sorry. Yes, it will be official language, and we will be glad to be the 52nd state of the United States. Absolutely. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna check on YouTube. I'm gonna check it on YouTube, I guess. Trump Live. Let's check it. Okay, nothing. No, he's not live, at least not yet. I don't know, man. I mean, we have that new week opening gap up there. And that's like really close. I would be careful with the shorts. That's for sure. Just be careful with that. $15-minute candle close. Yeah. Let's see. Let's wait for it. And the sun is shining, like almost blinding me here. I have to find the remote for the shader here. Just a minute. All right. Now it's better. Okay. All right. What do we do? I don't know. I don't know. Where's the news? Where is the news here? I'm not gonna go short. I just can't. Or maybe I don't know. Should I? It's technically a possible short here. A possible short opportunity. Maybe one micro short for the stream. Okay. One sell limit at 77.50. I'm gonna actually bring it down to 77.25 or maybe 77. Okay. Sell limit at, what's the high here? 76, 75. It's not going up there. Look at that. It didn't take it. I have a sell limit at 77. Only risking like $56 on a funded account. Not the take profit one. Oh, come on. What is happening here? Is it gonna get picked up? Not going for it. Yeah, the idea maybe would be good, but it's not picking it up. And the more it goes sideways, the more it gets sloppier and then just goes higher. So I was expecting a quick move here and then boom, just go down. There are some good targets down there. Even if it's gonna be a continuation higher, but for a pullback on the, for example, on the 15-minute time frame, I'd love to see it go down to like here, to that 75 level. But I wanted to see this pick up liquidity at 77. It's not doing it, not now. So Maybe it's pick up. I don't know. Is it gonna pick it up? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. So come on, pick up that order and just go down. Yeah. Okay, it's not picking it up. It's not picking that up. I might gonna have to delete this. If it goes down here, yeah, to that 30-ish area. I don't know. Just don't like the idea to hold this limit order longer than that. The Dr. Shuttle and Dr. Shuttle Show. The baby face for you. Of course. Escape the Matrix is here as well. What's up, Gabriel? What's going on? I'm deleting this order. It was a good idea, but the train left without me. The train left without me. What a day. What a day. I think, by the way, I should just walk away now. I should just walk away before I do something stupid. I'm qualified for a payout on MyFundedFutures. Should withdraw it all or build buffer? That's a really good question. With MyFundedFutures, I think I would build more buffer. Especially, yeah, like I know it's good money. So 1.3k is definitely a very good money, and withdrawing from that, I would, yeah. So that's considerable. I have the same question for myself with Take Profit Trader, but if I would be you, also depends on, can you trade micros after that? Just it's getting interested. So I don't know. It depends if you can continue to trade with 1 or 2 micros to build the account up, even if you withdraw a majority of that. Yeah, so I don't know, man. Also, how much money have you withdrawn already from MyFundedFutures? You know, you don't have to answer me. Just yourself to yourself. How much money have you withdrawn? How much you've spent on evals? You know, at what level are you with trading? So if you haven't really withdrawn any money, or you're really just at the beginning, it might be better to withdraw. You know, to feel that money on your account. Trust me, it works. And if you already have a routine, or you're confident enough that you can go on and build it, then I would say just leave it, or just withdraw like maybe half, as you said. First payout, take it all, man. Take it. Take it, man. Take it. No question. Okay. Microphone drop, take it. That's it. That not even a question, man. You have to feel that money. Trust me, bro. Really. Microphone drop and take it. Maybe leave a little bit there to continue to build it up with 1 micro or 2 micro. You need to feel money on your bank account or whatever, you know, in crypto, whatever you get the payout. But you need to feel that the actual real money, because it is gonna. And also I said this to Trading Star too, if you get the money, make sure to buy something, not just another eval. I know you will, but not just another eval. Buy something for yourself or your family or whatever, whoever. Buy something. You don't have to be, it doesn't have to be something big. Just go eat something maybe, or buy some nice clothes, or buy a new phone, whatever. I don't care. I don't know. Something that's going to remind you, even a good memory of a good nice dinner or whatever. Just buy something on that money which you get from your trading account, because okay, it's going to rewire your brain to the next level. Trust me on this. Take my word on this. It's going to help. Obviously it's not going to make you overnight a professional, but it's going to help. Yeah. Just buy something small, you know. Or take your spouse to a dinner, or buy something, I don't know. Something small. Just buy a pizza, for example. When I first received my first payout ever, that was from TopStep. That was $800. $800 from TopStep. The first thing we did, the money was on my debit card, I mean on my bank account, and the first thing we did, I took my fiance to a nice dinner. We had a nice dinner. I really enjoyed it. It was, and it felt real when I paid with the debit card. The money was on there. Only that money was there, by the way, which I received from TopStep, and I paid with that debit card, and it felt so good. I mean, I remember that really. It was awesome. Exactly. Like Dr. Shuttle said, buy 100 pack of t-shirts that says I'm a winner. That's also good. So I have this account now. If some of you just tuning in, I pushed this Take Profit Trader account today up to payout level, and I was thinking to close the account and walk away with 50% of the safety net plus the profit. Or should I just keep growing the account, you know? But today was an extremely good day, as you can see. So that's a big question, you know, still for myself. I think I'm going to keep the, I don't know, man. For me, if I walk away with this, I can walk away with $2,587 from this account. And obviously I have to close the account. $2,500 for me is a big chunk of money for my standards. So, trust me. Take it. What do you say? Honestly, Gabriel, no troll, jokes aside, what would you do? Should I close it and take it? Or should I keep grinding on it? Statistically speaking, there is like a 70 or 80% chance that I'm going to blow the account in the next 60 days. Jay would say keep it. So I can take out $287 net with the profit split above the safety net, and I can keep the account. Or I can close the whole account. What would Methodical Man do? I think Methodical Man would take the money and he would fly away to Costa Rica for a weekend. I don't know. Take the money and run. My fiance would tell me to take the money. Done. Okay, take it. Over and over again when you can get payouts. Yeah, that's also a very, very, very good question. Exactly. Another thing, like Trading Star says, I just blew a few accounts recently. Now, obviously, this is a business. I have to look at it as a business too. If I can get back $2,500, at least I am getting back some money from those investments. Obviously, the thing I lose is the energy and the time which I put in those accounts, and this one too. And obviously, as you can see, and this is why I'm thinking on it, almost $3,600 today. That is not normal. This is not normal. This is absolutely not normal trading, what I did here. And this is one of the reasons I'm thinking, should I take it? What are the chances to continue, even if obviously I'm toning it down to micros. So let's just say I can take out 10 payouts from $250 in the next month. That's $2,500, okay? Should I grind for a month to take out $2,500, or I can just click it out with one click and close the account and walk away and just keep on grinding on a new account, you know? If you don't take it, then you... Exactly. Very good point, Trading Star. Very good point. Excellent point, to be honest. Excellent point. If I don't take it, and maybe not next week, but 2 weeks later, I blew it, I'm definitely going to go crazy. Because that would be almost literally throwing out the window $2,500. I know if I would be Patrick Whelan, that would be a different situation, right? But for me, this money is actually serious money, you know? And let it run just like that. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Exactly. Exactly, Trading Star. I don't know. I know I said it just like 30 minutes before that I should keep on continuing. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I think I'm going to sleep on this for next week. I'm not going to trade this account tomorrow. That's 100% sure. That I'm not going to trade this tomorrow. Friday, I'm not going to mess up anything on this on Friday. That's 100%. So I will have the weekend to think about what to do with this account. Dear Lord, please grant my wishes and make Tosefo take it. Maybe I should, yeah. What you should do more is look at daily charts and to look at days of potential to run big. That's true also, Jay. That is true. That is true. So this is why this is, it's a big question. It's a big question for me now. I'm telling you, you have a loan to pay as well, yeah. I have pressure. I definitely have pressure because I have to pay a loan. So yeah, I think if I would I would get the money, which would be helping me to pay my loan and, you know, help my life standards, obviously. I think I could be focusing a little bit more for the next 2 months or something, or 3 months, to build up new accounts properly. You know, not like this. This is not the way to build up an account, by going crazy with $3,500. So this is not normal. That's why I'm saying I pay a loan. Yeah. How much are you going to spend on new eval accounts before you pass another? I would say, I think with Take Profit Trader, it's pretty much in the cards that, you know, it's $119 and 100 reset. I would say even if I had to have to reset twice or something, that's gonna take me at least maybe $200 or $300 to get to a funded stage, I think, with Take Profit Trader. So $200 or $300 is relatively pretty much in the cards to take a Take Profit Trader account to funded. And that would be like a 50K account, so not 150K. You thinking to get 550? That's also a good idea, but I just realized that, for example, putting this, getting this 150K account to fund it, that was a real headache for me. I mean, it wasn't bad. It's not bad, but it's easier to go with the 50Ks, by the way. It's easier, I think. And you know, getting here to a payout level is another thing. I don't know, man. I really don't know. I have to keep thinking on this. I just answered myself. Yes, I did. Exactly. So, yeah. Köszönöm szépen, hogy így mondtad. El fogom venni. És nagyon jól fogom érezni magam. Yeah. You have 150k right now, or this is what you see on the screen. This is a funded account. This is 150k funded, and I just made some crazy trades, and I'm at payout level and more. And I have a 50k account as well. So that gives me the dilemma that I went crazy. What should I do? I think I have to sleep on it for the weekend. Apex flash sale, 80% off, everybody. What is happening? Apex flash sale. I just got the email. What is going on here? Let me read this. Apex flash sale, 80% only until tonight. 80% flash sale Apex only until midnight today. Yeah. All right. 80% flash sale. That's, yeah. If you have two, why didn't you just keep one and take on the other? Yeah, that's also a thing. Like, I can close this and I just keep on trading with the other one. Actually, I didn't activate it yet, but I passed it. So a fresh, brand new 50k account. How about that? Maybe I can do that. Why not? They have to pay. Yeah. We have to pay. We have to pay out, Natasha, so everybody do a flash sale. I said 90%. I said 80. 80%. Oh, thank you, Natasha. Pawn to me how to activate. You have to wait for next. Today, I think they're pretty much. When did you pass it yesterday, Jay, or before yesterday? Because they're pretty much behind right now. Passed yesterday and before yesterday. Oh. And leave 300 to be building. That's. Hey, that's it. Escape the Matrix. Nice. That is it. That is it. Exactly. 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 That's what you need to do. Congratulations, by the way. Escape the Matrix. Oh yeah, you should be. But yeah, Jay. So if you should be having credits on your dashboard, or if it's not there, you should somehow contact support. I know they are behind, but on the upper right screen, click on your name and go to I don't know, wallet, and there you will see credit bank or points or something, and you will see it there. Yeah, just log into the website, click on your profile name on the upper right corner, and just click on the wallet, and you will see your wallet, and next to it will be credit bank option or stuff like. You should be seeing some credits there. If it's not there, then you can contact support, or just go to the activation page and maybe it will appear that one activation credit is there. 85 activation fee. I don't know if the activation fee is 85 on the current sale. Let me read the email. It says 125 lifetime activation. It's not there. Then you should contact support. You should contact support. Yeah, and it's really hard to get an answer from support today and yesterday too. They're pretty much behind. Yeah, it's gonna be a rewards or credit or some money in your wallet, something like that. It's gonna be one of those options. So don't forget it. 80% off Apex only until midnight. They have a bot there, but I think they just have so many tickets. Yeah, they have so many tickets. I think 2 days ago they also said that they are just barely can handle it. Sure. I need to ask you what better way for living in Europe to withdraw from Bulenox, PayPal or better wire transfer? I don't have PayPal, I have Rise. I think it would be from Bulenox. The problem with PayPal is that PayPal is super expensive. PayPal is gonna get about 4% for the transfer fee. And I also have to convert it to my own currency. And that's also another 4%. It's super expensive. It's I lose about 8% if I take it to PayPal. So I think wire transfer would be the best for European citizens. I think international bank wire would be the best. I mean, that's what I do with Bulenox, to a dollar account, to a US dollar account. Yeah. Because PayPal is good, but for this, they're charging a lot of, like, they're actually robbing you. It's fast and super quick and reliable, but they're robbing you. No, you don't need to have a dollar account because if you have like a euro account or whatever currency you have, obviously your bank is going to convert the money as it lands into your account because it's an IBAN number with a SWIFT code. So it's going to land at landing. Your bank is going to convert it. I just have a dollar account. You don't need to have a dollar account. You just need an international IBAN number with a SWIFT code. That's all you need. Nice pair for and PayPal too. There you go. There you go, Sharpnel. $248 goes to PayPal from 4.5K. That's actually robbery. That is the highest level of robbery. Yeah, let's go, William. Good luck, good luck. Especially there was an issue with Wise, but yeah, PayPal robbing you. Exactly. They do. They charge you 4.5% for converting the US dollar because they, I live in Hungary, so by the terms of service by PayPal, they cannot wire money to my country only in Hungarian forints. So they have to convert it by their terms. They are converting the money to my currency for 4.5%. That's one charge. And the wire transfer for incoming payment is also another 4%-ish or something. 4.5. Almost 9%, by the way. 8 point something. With PayPal. That is crazy. Crazy amount. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. Kirk, let me read you. No trading here. Just prop support. Let's go. Sorry. I'm sorry, Kirk. I know. I'm just doing prop support, but really, there's no... I don't want to enter here to... Maybe I should have entered. There was no entry. I was looking for one entry here. This one. And it didn't go higher. It didn't go to this level. And now, if it goes up there, I just don't want to re-enter because obviously the move has happened. Look at that. Boom. It happened. So that's off, that trade. Most likely it's going higher now. And I think, and I'm not saying personalized guarantee, but I think we're going to the new week opening gap. That's what I think. Maybe not now. It could be the PM session. Oh, your entry. Sorry. Sorry. It's not TPT support. I'm sorry. Kirktown. I'm truly sorry. I apologize. Really. Waiting for retrace into 15-minute BC. Let's see. I mean, that could be good. Look at that. 15-minute push. Here's a nice gap. Now this area could be interesting. That could be a good one to wait for a possible long position. I would say, what the hell is this? Yeah. I would say that area could be a good one. 15-minute busy. Oops. What did I do? Okay. 5 minis. Oh, I did that too a few times. Oh my god. Jesus, Jay. You were lucky there. That was lucky. Oh wow. And to 900. Thomas and Elon. Why? X account. God, I know. I'm not an Elon fan, girl. No. Why? I'm not. But I'm also not the one who puts the Tesla trucks on fire. So don't worry. And well, I can't. I actually can't. I can't do that. I'm sorry. I just can't. I would be deleted off YouTube immediately. The ticket is booked to Mars with Starlink. I don't want to go to Mars. What's the chip called? I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to go to Mars, by the way. I don't want to. I don't want to. It's not my thing. I'm happy here on Earth, you know. With all you do. All right, Natasha. Thank you so much for joining, and you know, see you tomorrow in London session. Hopefully, have a good one, and you know, enjoy the rest of the day. All right. I feel like we need to listen to some Backstreet Boys or Celine Dion, maybe. You know, maybe Jennifer Lopez, something like that. What would it be? Or, I don't know. Maybe Beastie Boys Intergalactic? How about that? Okay, that's it. I can't do more. This is it. This is it. Sorry. A special true apology for Kirk. Really sorry. I can't stay. I can't. I just need to call it here, ladies and gents. So what I'm gonna say is it was a great session. Reached the payout level. That's awesome. But it was like dangerous to go short, and thank God I didn't go short anywhere here. So yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, take the payout. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody, for being here. See you tomorrow. Yeah, Zoltán, remélem megoldják neked. No problem. All right, see you everybody tomorrow in London session. Thank you. And don't forget, flash sale Apex 80%. And also, if you'd like to support the channel, I'm going to eat some food. Please use my code. MyFundedFutures now gives you 5% extra. So don't forget it. So they brought it back. 5% from all the accounts. Don't forget it. Thank you again. See you, ladies and gents, tomorrow. And first of all, God bless you all. All right, cheers.